Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiandra Oriana, and I'm back with another video. Today I will be installing this twisted ombre unit from Braids Queen. They sent me over their ombre twisted unit. It is a 13 by 5 part and space, and it is 100% hand braided. And let's hop right into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am reviewing a wig from Braids Queens. They sent me over some wig caps, this like kind of string thing that you put on braids as like a design, some elastic band, and of course the wig. So this is the inside construction of the wig. They give you 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 in the back. They sew in an elastic band and they give you adjustable straps, so your wig will be extra secure, so you could really wear this schoolless if you wanted to. I'm showing you up close of what the lace looks like on my skin. It is Swiss lace, and I'm shocked at how well it's blending in. And yeah, I'm just showing you that the wig is very lightweight, but the wig it looks really full, but it's really lightweight. So they provide you with pre-pulled out baby hairs, so they're already sectioned off for you. And yeah, I'm just gonna customize this wig so it blends in with my skin, and I'm gonna install it. But that's all I have to say for the voiceover portion. I will come on towards the end and give my final thought and review on this wig. Alright, I did get some loose on my shirt, but that's cool. So this is the finishing look. It looks amazing. Like, it looks so good. So on the website it says it is like 30 inches. I am 5'10", so this is how it looks on me and my height. I really like how you see like the ends, they're literally twisted all the way to the... I honestly don't know how long it would take if I got this done with my real hair, so yeah, I just dodged a bullet. Guess what? My neck will not be hurting when I go to sleep, because y'all know my ladies that get their braids done, their necks be hurting, their heads. Like, the wigs on their website is 100% hand braided. They have so many different styles. Like, if you're not interested in this one, which you should be because this is very cute, they have other different styles. Like, they have knotless box braids, they have regular box braided units. I haven't seen that they had like a box braided kind of bob situation. That was really cute. This even comes in a different color, and I believe that this comes in like regular braids instead of twists, like this style, but in regular braid form. So they were kind enough to provide me with a discount code. It is Oriana10. Other information for this unit and any information for Braids Queens will be linked down below in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.